the old man was so sweet. I really wanted to give him something. He has a really nice spot where he can paint. This is definitely beautiful, you guys. Visit Sri Lanka. My adventure continued to a visit to Ramboda Falls, the 11th highest waterfall in Sri Lanka, standing at 109 meters. The waterfall is a stunning sight, with waters cascading over multiple tiers into a crystal clear pool below. To reach the best viewpoint, I embarked on a hike through a surrounding forest, which followed unique perspectives of the falls and the opportunity to connect with nature.